So what's up, guys? Welcome back to today's tutorial, and this is the Twinmotion for the beginners. And like you can see here, I've already opened my Twinmotion, which I also expect that you have also installed yours. And I want to take you to the most important things that you need to know before getting to this Twinmotion. And that's why I just ask you, before we go to the Twinmotion itself, I prepared some notes here, which I think is very important for you to just check on them, and then you become familiar what you're going to expect on the Twinmotion. This will make your work easier instead of you just clicking things here and you don't know where to start. So let's get to this one. Guys, this is our Twinmotion 2022 beginners tutorial. It's not only for the beginner. This tutorial is also for those people who have some skills and those people who are familiar with other software and now they want to start using the Twinmotion. And what is just going to happen right now is that we are just going to check on everything, and that's why I just prepared this one. So let's go first of all to look at the theory, exactly what you expect. And then now we can just go to the inside the Twinmotion and check it practically when we are aware of what we are going to expect. So let's get started. So first of all, we have the open link, which I just showed you on the last. So what you just need to do when you just start your Twinmotion, click here on the import. Then here you have the demo screen, and then you can choose one of those two. And when you click this one, it's just going to open for you something like this one here. So this is the demo thing that is just going to show you inside what the Twinmotion can make and what you expect inside. So like you see here, you have the number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And what are those numbers? So let's check what are those numbers. So you can just go back, or we can just look at here. So the number 1 is the screen, where you just expect everything that you're going to make that is going to appear. And here you have like the number 3 here you have on top, and you can just see anything. If you just click there, you can see anything that you want to see, or you can just hide some things. And then here you have this other navigation. This one is just show you, like, if you just want to zoom or zoom in or zoom out, rotate the object. This is just going to show you what exactly have you selected. Then you have here click. Like you can see here on first you have import. If you just want to import any object like you have then from the SketchUp or from somewhere, you can just click here and then you import. Then on the number 2 here, where this is where we have all the materials, which I'm just going to show you the practical how they look like and how you're just going to use them. So this one is the same thing here. And now we have the navigation, navigating the viewpoint. To the navigate screen, you can use the arrow key or your keyboard, the mouse screw wheel, or combine the key and shortcut, and the 3-button mouse with screw. Here are the few ways to navigate your and try out. So you have this one. So let me just show you. Like you can look at aloud. So hold and press the right mouse button and drag. That's why you just want to look aloud. Then you have move forward. You can just use your W key. Move left, use your A key. Move backward, use S. Move right, use D. Orbit the screen, place and hold the middle mouse while pressing the shift key and drag. So that's why you can just do that one. So we are just going to do this one practically, so you can just try to practicing that one, and now you become familiar, because those things, they give sometimes somebody the stress when you just want to do your project. So then now you have here add object to the skin. How do you have to add them? So like you can see here, just click the library. Open the library and select the object that you want to add, and select the object and drag the object to the screen. So that is just simple. Just go there, open the library, choose here like you have some object, then this object, just drag it to the screen. It's as simple as that. Then you have to move and rotate. To move and rotate, first of all, you have to select the object, And then when you select the object, then you have the, like I told you, this one where we have this those things here down. You have to select exactly what you want. If it's rotate, just click rotate. If it's like to expand, just click expand. And now you can just go inside, and then you're just using your mouse and just do that work. So that is how easy it is. So now to move the object, how do you have to move the object? So into the toolbar. So here you have the toolbar here, like you can see. Select the object you want to move, like you want to move this here. So that one was not good. So no. So this is the object that you want to move, and now press the orange, and then you can just move that object to where you want to see it. Then press the orange area, the center of the gizmo, and drag the object. So that is what you can move the object. So now you have to move and snap an object onto another object. So you want to snap this object, like we have those two objects here. So the toolbar, select and translate the object, select the object, and you want to move and snap. So this one I can just show you exactly. Then press the center of the gizmo and drag the snap. So you just need to drag this and then go and snap it whenever you want. It's not a very big thing. So rotate an object. So how do you have to rotate the object? This is just the same way. Just click here, and then you can just rotate that object. Then you have like the scale the object is also the same way, like whatever I told you. Just click there, and now go inside to your screen and just scale this object. Then when you want to apply the material to the object, what you just need to do is, first of all, you need to open the library, click the material, and select the material, then drag to the object on the screen. So this one you just need to click there, then you see the mouse, you can just drag this one and then drop it where you want just to change this material. It is just as simple as that one. So then edit the material. How do you have to do it? Then into the toolbar, click the material picker and select and the object into the screen. Depending on the type of the material that you select, you can change several of its property. For example, to change the color of the material, open the color picker, adjust the color value, and click OK. So that is how. So this one I can just show you directly. It's also not so complicated. So those things you just need to know, just trying to check on them where they are, so that when you start learning, you can just do them without having problem. Creating an image. How do you create an image? This is just simple. If you just click here down, you see like where the light and media, then you have the image, we have panorama, we have the video, we have the whatever. So just click the image and click then create the image, and then you just create the image. That is just simple. So then export an image. How do you have to export? So to export and dock an image, select the image you wanted to export, then dock this to start exporting. So here you have this one here. I hope you are seeing it. You can also check on your I hope you have already the Twinmotion installed. Just click here and then try to start export, and then you just export. It's just ask you where you want to save the folder, and then you can just have this image exported there. So that is how the Twinmotion look like for the beginners. And now this is everything that we had. Like this is what I was showing you here to translate. Like if I click this character here, you see now I have so many options given here. So this one, like this was the last thing that I was showing you, like to create the image, panorama, and everything. So if you just want to create an image, what you just need to is just to create the image, then create the image. And now if you have this image, if you click this one, and now you can be able now to export that image. So that is how you can get started with the Twinmotion. The next video that I'm just going to do now, we are just going to start making our own project. I'm just going to show you that one, like importing something which is has no, like this one. What we have here is like we have so many things here which are already made. Like you can see here, If we go outside, you can see we have like a whole building here which is already created. You see there are a lot of work done, and maybe when we start with our own project, maybe now we can start making something like this one. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope to see you next on my next video. Bye for now.